Karen. I'm with Jefferson County 4-H. I'm here today to do it's called a Wally Wildcat Energy Bites. And this is something that you can take outside with you when you're outside walking on your trails, because it is summertime and it's time to get up and out of the house and get moving. So this is a good snack to take with you as you're outside exploring. So what you need to have is you need to have a large bowl. You need to have a spoon, a spatula, and then if you notice in front of me, I have several different measuring cups. So here I have a 1 cup and then half cups here. So I'm going to start out with my 1 cup of oats. Then I have my half a cup of coconut, half a cup of, well, it calls for actually 1.5 cups of oats. Let me put that over there. Then coconut, raisins, a half a cup of raisins, a half a cup of peanut butter, and then here's a half a cup of honey. And then we have 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips, mini chocolate chips. And then we have 1/4 of a cup of crushed bran flakes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix everything in together, and then after we get everything mixed up, then we're gonna get our hands in and we're gonna make it into 1-inch balls, okay? So I'm gonna start out with my oats first. So these are my instant oats. We're gonna pour that in. Then next comes our coconut. Everything just goes in together. It doesn't matter what order you put it in. We have our raisins, half a cup of raisins. Then we have our peanut butter. Now this is where the good trusty spatula comes in, because it helps get every bit of that peanut butter out of the half cup here. So then we're just going to take and scoop out our peanut butter. Then we have our honey. This is a half of a cup of honey. We're going to place that in our bowl too. Like I said, it doesn't matter what you put in your bowl first. We're all just gonna mix it together. Okay, then we have our yummy chocolate chips and our crushed bran flakes. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch from my spatula to my spoon. And then we're going to mix all this together. It might be just a little bit dry. It might look dry to you, but that's okay. Just keep mixing till it's all incorporated together. So we also have an outdoor snack we're going to do for the ones that are allergic to peanut butter. So we're just going to mix everything real good. And then we're getting ready to get our hands in here. So make sure that you wash your hands. Make sure they're good and clean, because this is going to involve using your hands to make it into 1-inch balls. And it doesn't have to be exact when you're doing the one. It can be you can make the ball as big as you want. It doesn't have to be exactly 1 inch. Okay, so I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to scoop what's on my spoon off of there. So you want to make sure you have some wax paper here, because what we're going to do once we get our mixture into a 1-inch ball, we're going to place them on our wax paper. And then what you want to do is you want to put it into an airtight container and put it into the refrigerator. Okay? So I'm just going to grab a little bit like this. You want to roll it into a ball. And there you have it. You want to keep doing this until you've got all your mixtures into balls. And that way, when you're outside, going on your trail walk or whatever, you can put these in a plastic bag and take along with you. And you have a healthy snack to eat as you're going through your trails outdoors. Okay. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a snack for outdoors that you can take with you. That is peanut butter free for anybody who happens to have any peanut allergies. Okay, so this one is going to involve some pretzels, some sunflower seeds, some granola, some cranberries, and some raisins. Okay, So all we do is just mix everything together, and then we can put in a Ziploc bag, and then you're ready to head out the door to hit the trails. We're gonna add our ingredients. So we have a 1/2 cup of pretzels. These are the twist, and this is what the twists look like. Just pour that right in the bowl. Then we have our sunflower seeds. So this is gonna be 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. You can add a little more if you like, whatever you're liking. Then we have a 1/4 cup of granola, okay? We're gonna add that in. Then next we have our 2 tablespoons of cranberries. These are dried cranberries. And then we have our raisins, 2 tablespoons of raisins, okay? This is real simple. Just take your spoon, mix it up together. Make sure it's mixed in good. And then all you need now is a Ziploc baggie. Okay, just take your Ziploc baggie, open up, and just scoop in your snack. You've got a mixture of different ingredients in here. Yummy. Take as much as you like. You can put the whole amount in there, or just put 1/2 bag. Make sure you got it zipped up good. And you're ready to hit the trails. Please check out your local library for any type of recipes or any ideas where you can make snacks to take outdoors with you. Thank you.